So I saw Webrat's new short, which is the Revolver Community World PvP or whatever, and I decided to I want to try it out.
I saw you after you left.
Hey, bro, chill.
Evil blue cheese has came to haunt you.
I'm sorry, I didn't. I'm sorry.
Well, full everything. No!
I'm going to the. Yeah, I didn't know you said that. I didn't realize you. We have a. Cowboy, can we also be Cruz?
No!
Cowboy! He didn't mean to.
I'm not here to fight. I was gonna say until you slaughtered me. So I guess I'm now.
This is supposed to be PvP, not a roleplay. Jesus Christ.
Hey, guess what? Guess
So
what?
yeah,
Cowboy.
bitch ass up.
Wow, reportable. I caught that on camera too.